This video will walk you through how to assemble your brand new adventure e-bike. You will find a charger and accessory box inside the packaging. Here are some of the components. Take the e-bike out of the box. If you need help, a support system lifting the bicycle out of the box. Remove packaging material but don't throw it away. You might need it in the rare case of a return. Unwrap the foam. We are going to start by installing the handlebars.
First, take the screws off.
Take the handlebars and place the stem onto the headset. Then use the head key to tighten the screws. Remove the plastic pegs on the front fork bolt and the brake caliper insert, so we can install the front rig. Unscrew the nut on the quick release. Install quick release parts. Remove it from the front fork. The front wheel and brake disc are faced by quick release. Finally, you should tighten the quick release. When starting, the pedals be sure to match them with the correct size, indicated by the label on the clamp arm, and screw it in the direction and then tighten. Then repeat this process on the other side. Installing the front fenders next. Start by taking these headboards off. Set the front fender into right place. Open the zip-post clamp and adjust to the decided height. Then close the clamp. You can take the battery off from here. To charge your bike, pull up the rubber flag and plug in the charging cable to the bike first. The charger indicator light will turn green when it's full. You can change its speed through power button. Levels by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Maximum speed 50 km/h, which have a good bicycle journey.